Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a really interesting recipe of a fruit punch that I'm going to be making along with white tea, watermelon juice and basil. I recently came across white tea and found that it undergoes the least amount of oxidation and has soft and delicate flavors when compared to other variants of green tea. Just like all the other green teas, white tea also comes with a lot of antioxidants and health benefits. It tastes great on its own, but you can also make this delicious watermelon punch to have a different flavor. So without wasting any time, let's just dive right in and learn how to make this tea.